Battles and wars leave deep wounds and scars, and deep wounds are long in the mending. While reflecting upon all that is gone, life rushes on to its ending. Though sorrow and pain in our memories remain, and by memories lifetimes are measured, still the times that we spend among lovers and friends are times we'll remember with pleasure. So fill up your glass of future and past, in harmony be determined. For there's more friendship poured out in one bottle of stout than you'll find in statute or sermon. I've heard all the old songs, all the rights, all the wrongs, heard prophets of doom and destruction, street corner messiahs and moral pariahs, dealers in bribes and corruption, from the holy and wise denials and lies, when innocent youth was forsaken. Yet I've watched the night end among lovers and friends, and been sorry to see the dawn breaking. So fill up your glass of future and past, in harmony be determined. For there's more friendship poured out in one bottle of stout than you'll find in statute or sermon. And there are those who are certain that drinking and courting are the sure way to hell and damnation. But if that is to be, it would seem clear to me that their God has no sense of occasion to help his great plan, both woman and man, bring forth each new generation. And a wee drop of stout and the odd bit of a hout can greatly assist procreation. So fill up your glass, throw your arm round your lass, in harmony be determined. For there's more friendship poured out in one bottle of stout than you'll find in statute or sermon. To the brightest and proudest and those who shout loudest, 'twould seem that power has been given to berate us, deride us, separate and divide us, in the hope of their version of heaven. But mountains and rivers will by far outlive us, and when our bones into dust they have withered, there'll be lovers and friends who will still comprehend the true reason we're all here together. So fill up your glass of future and past, in harmony be determined. For there's more friendship poured out in one bottle of stout than you'll find in statute or sermon.